How you doing? Can you talk? Sir.
He know.
When a man lawfully exercises his right to record in public spaces, police often struggle to handle it. Under the First Amendment, individuals have the right to record public officials in public places. The guy was out in Canton, Mississippi, filming in front of the M South Bank, simply walking on the sidewalk. He wasn't interfering, wasn't trespassing, just recording, but that was enough to make the bank employees uncomfortable, leading to a call to the police. As expected, officers arrived, trying to assert control over a situation that wasn't even a crime.
It's against the law for you to record me if I tell you not to record. So stop recording. Say, now I'll call the police back again and tell you that I'm...
Come on, let's back up and see what he got going on. Let's see what he got going on. Oh, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way. Alright, y'all. Y'all asked for it, here you go. I'm gonna try my best to do a silent. I'm gonna try my best. Y'all know I ain't got no sense to do no silent.
How you doing, sir? How you doing, sir? Sir, I'm speaking to you. How you doing? Can you talk? Sir. Sir. Gotta get another unit up here by Renaissance Bank. Sir. 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 Where are you filming in the bank, sir? The reason why I stopped, I'm getting a call on you. Sir, answer my question. Are you gonna speak to me? Are you gonna talk? Sir.
27.
How you doing, sir? What's going on, Paul? It's Paul Esco with the Campo Beach Department. I told him why I'm talking to him. officer we got a call on. He wants a video in the bank in the ice cream shop. So he gonna give me his name. He gonna tell me why he's doing it.
Okay, well,
I called assistant chief up here.
okay, well, I'm gonna go back 10, 10-8. This is amendment right, so
Yeah.
he haven't committed a crime, so
I know you committed a crime.
he do say it on in the store as well, so
Right.
we can go back 10-8. He ain't causing no problem. He can open the lane back there. All right, man, I'm off test go again. All right, so
Hey, Chief. Hey, can I talk to you for a second?
Hey, guess what? I'm finna join you.
Hey.
I'm finna go record you.
I ain't mad at you. We need it.
Hey, he doing his first shit right. You know about that?
He know. He know.
Hey, what you know about? Hey.
Hey, hush! Shut your ass up! Hey, all I really want, because you did a great job. Great job. I need to know his name and badge number. He won't identify himself for some reason. Ain't this y'all policy?
Yeah, it's Officer Harris.
Harris, badge number? He got it.
It'd be 11. We go by no.
Okay, 11. I'm gonna read that ask because I'm gonna have to forward. He took a picture of me. I'm gonna go and forward request. Where do I go with forward request? I can come to the station?
Yeah, you can. Hang on.
Okay, I'm gonna get that picture he just took of me. That's it. That's all I want. And you, Deputy Chief,
Assistant Chief.
Assistant Chief. I just want to get your last Johnson. They just want to let them hear it on the camera because you did good. You know, ain't no big deal. Ain't no big deal. Y'all be safe out there. I'm still looking. And like I'm still looking. Hey, be safe, big dog. Y'all say I don't know what a driver shame is or a driver on, so I'm just gonna let y'all call it.
Frustrated, one officer took a picture of the man trying to intimidate him. Under the Fourth Amendment, law enforcement cannot collect personal information without lawful justification. Recognizing this as an intimidation tactic, the guy immediately stated he would file a public records request for the officer's photo. That's when the assistant chief stepped in, realizing the situation was spiraling into embarrassment for the department. Despite all their efforts, they couldn't make him talk, identify himself, or back down. The silent treatment nearly broke them, leaving the officers humiliated and outmatched. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.